Hello, I'm here to walk you through how to turn on or turn off group updates notification when using Google Meet. The first thing you do is open up the app, the Google Meet app, also called Google Workspace. Then the next thing you're going to do is click on the three lines at the top left corner over here. Click on Settings. So after selecting Settings, you have three options again. We are going to select Notifications. So once you select Notifications, it opens up your app notifications. Then you go to the bottom here, you see Notification Category. Now, you select notification categories, opens up all the subcategories, which are, we have the calls category, the message category, and other category. Under other, we're going to search. If you remember, we're searching for group update notifications. So we have incoming calls, requests to join, missed calls, ongoing call, changes to ongoing calls, phone number, reachability alerts, accounts, updates. We have reminders that you're in a call, retry, reminders from missed call, contact updates, transfer calls among devices, group updates. This is exactly what we're looking for, group updates. So right now the group update notification is turned on. If yours is like this, which is not turned on, what you do is simply turn it on, and that's it.